Trust takes time to gain back, but Soberlink has allowed us to have that back in our relationship. It's very simple. You turn it on, you blow into the device, and wait for the prompt that you're sufficient in your breath, and immediately you get a reading of what your breathalyzer results are. And they are sent to yourself and whoever else you choose. It gave me accountability. It has shown my husband that I can be trusted. I needed external forces to prove that I was staying sober, to know that I had something that was going to prove this. It didn't give me a chance to drink, and I wasn't thinking about the alcohol anymore. Trust takes time to gain back, but Soberlink has allowed us to have that back in our relationship. Certainly the fact that I have 2 little children. My husband was definitely on the verge of filing for divorce. So it was use Soberlink, show you're sober for at least 6 months. You can come back home, be with the kids. They deserved a full-time present mom. One of the therapists at a treatment center recommended Soberlink so that the accountability would be there, trust could be gained back. It wasn't until then that I actually could get more of a sense of living again. Soberlink had given me that. When you use Soberlink, a little camera lights up on the front. I can't have somebody else use it for me. It was just full proof that sobriety was in existence. Since I started using Soberlink, the people around me, friends, family, they can rely on me again. I've proven to them that when I say I'm going to show up, I'm going to show up. I highly recommend this to anyone that is looking for some other way to stay accountable, stay sober. It truly is a life-changing device.